In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Magic Write. We'll walk through the process from the moment you're inside a Canva design all the way to generating your first piece of AI written content. This tool can save you a lot of time when you're stuck on what to write or when you just need a quick draft to start from. First, make sure you're already in a Canva design, like a presentation, a document, or a social media post. On your design screen, look for the Magic Write option. Depending on the layout you're using, this usually appears as a button or icon in the editor, often linked to the text tools. Go ahead and click on Magic Write to open the writing panel. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the starting point for generating your content. Once the Magic Write panel is open, you'll see a space where you can type in what you want. This is where you describe what you want Magic Write to create for you. Take a moment here to be as clear and specific as you can. For example, instead of just typing social media post, you might say, write a friendly social media caption promoting a weekend sale on handmade candles. You can also specify tone, like professional, casual, or playful, and mention your audience such as students, small business owners, or new customers. The more detail you provide, the more relevant and useful the result will be. If you already have a style in mind, you can include that too. For instance, tell Magic Write to keep it short and punchy, or ask for a longer, more detailed paragraph. This step is really about giving the tool enough context so it understands what you're aiming for. After you've described what you want to write, look for the purple arrow button below the text area. This is the Generate button. When you're happy with your description, click that purple arrow to start the creation process. Magic Write will take a few moments to process your request, and then it will automatically generate content based on your description. Once the text appears, take a moment to read through it carefully. You can leave it as it is, or you can edit, shorten, or expand it to better match your voice and your brand. Think of Magic Write as a helpful starting point, giving you a strong first draft that you can refine to make it truly your own.